welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial or another eye look on the third palette in the Jaclyn Vault collection with Morphe. And today the palette of choice is going to be Ring the Alarm palette. I am extremely excited to use it because they're just all gorgeous colors. Like, so far in all of her palettes, they have been extremely gorgeous. And I'm excited to play with this. So let's just go ahead and jump into this video. Before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you can hit that little notification bell symbol. That way YouTube lets you know when I upload and you can never miss a video of mine, because I think I'm pretty funny. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this. So my face is already done. Everything is on. Foundation, concealer, powder, brows, bronzer, highlight. Y'all know the jazz with that. I am kind of starting, to be honest, I'm starting to shy away from full makeup tutorials because I really haven't gotten anything that is new. So I just thought that why would I sit here and do my makeup unless I'm doing like a get ready with me. I just don't see the need to kind of do my full face every time, especially if it's literally the same thing and almost the same products that I use every single time. Like, my concealers have not changed, my eyebrow pomade has not changed, my foundation rarely changes depending on the mood or where I'm going for the day, type of coverage that I want. So I am kind of shying away from the full makeup tutorials. The first color I'm going to take is this shade up here called Rush, and it's a gorgeous orange, kind of looks like a terracotta. So we're going to dip into this shade here called Rush, and I'm just, okay, I'm just going to take it little by little because that is pigmented. Alright, so we're just going to take this as our transition color. I am getting ready to go to my cousin's birthday party, so I'm not going to try to do something too crazy. But with all the previous two palettes that I've used, I've kind of learned to start off little by little and then work your way up. So far, my favorite palette out of the two that I used is Armed and Gorgeous. Depending how this one pans out, this might be my new favorite. But that Armed and Gorgeous palette is literally life. I just like it so much. So freaking wonderful. The next color I'm going to take is Mugshot, which is this shade right here. And we are going to blend this into the crease, just a little bit higher than, a little bit lower on than the transition shade. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. So I'm gonna dip back into the shade here, which is Rush, just to blend out the two shades, blend them together, you know. You guys know the drill here. Blend, blend, blend. The next color I'm going to take is this shade, which is called Alert. And I'm going to take it on a Morphe R39 brush. I absolutely adore this brush because it just gets right into the crease, exactly where I need it. And we're just going to build up this color in the crease. So then next, I'm just going to take a little bit more of this shade right here, and we're going to blend everything. The next color I'm going to take is this shade right here called Secret. No, I'm so sorry. I'm going to take this shade here called Framed, and we're going to take a little bit at a time here and put this in the outer corner. Just a light dust. And kind of work it into the middle of the eye as well. There we go. So I'm going to take a little bit of framed on the Morphe E39 or R39 brush to kind of just blend this into the crease a little bit. Not going fully into the crease. I'm not going fully into the crease, just to blend everything right here in the outer corner kind of together. There we go. That way it's not just orange and then purple. Like you kind of have a nice little fade there. Not all the way into the crease, just a little pinch. I'm going to go back into Rush here and blend all that out. Man, I don't need no room for the sheet. The next color I'm going to take is this shade right here called Secret. And I'm just going to take it on a e.l.f. brush. And we're going to deepen up the outer corner. The outer V, just really focusing that color there. There we go. The next color I'm going to take is this shade right here called Boom. Bounce when it drop, when it lean, when it rock, when it... That's what I'm talking about. That was one swipe. We're going to put this on the lid. This is dry. By the way, I don't have any Fix Plus or any spray. Pretty good. Pretty good. As we're from, you already know. I represent the A from my head to my toe. So I am going to wet my brush a little bit here. Not that it needs it. I just prefer my lid shimmers to be a little bit more pop. Perfect. Now I'm going to go back into framed here. Just a little dot. And we're going to just lightly pat over the shimmer and the purple. That way it's a nice even blend across the eye. So now for the under eyes, I'm going to take this shade right here called Mugshot. And just going to take this on a regular e.l.f. brush and blend that underneath the eyes. Poke myself. I'm going to take framed here on a flat e.l.f. brush, super flat, and we're just going to run this super close to the tight, or to the tight line. What am I saying? To the lash line. Then I'm dipping into Alert here and just going to go over those two shades. And for the inner corner, because just for what the freak not, I'm gonna take this shade here, which is called On Camera. Just a little bit, you know, just a little bit of gold. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put on mascara. I put on some lipstick, and then I also ran the Morphe, what is this called? Poolside eyeliner in my waterline. And this pretty much completes the look that I created with this palette, and I just want to go over kind of my first thoughts on it, my first impressions. So honestly, overall, I do like the palette. So far, these three palettes have not disappointed me, except for on Bling Boss, I think the palette is called. There are a couple shades in there that I just didn't like. But overall with this Ring the Alarm palette, I really did like all the colors and the blendability. I think this look came out really, really cute. And really nice. I think it blended really well. Off camera looks good. On camera looks good. And I did attempt to put false lashes on, and they just were not working for me today. So I said X-nay with the false lashes, and let's just put on some mascara. But overall, I really do like it. The colors in the palette, I just love how they all are incorporated somehow. Like Bling Boss was all purple, Ring the Alarm was like greens and yellows, and then, or I'm sorry, Armed and Gorgeous was greens and yellows, and Ring the Alarm is oranges, reds, some purples, but it's all based off of a kind of like a hue, I guess. Like Bling Boss was based off like a purple hue. They were all somehow tied in with purple. In my Bling Boss video, what I wanted those two shades to do was what is it? Boom did. I swiped my brush and there was pigment on there like no other. I don't want to have to like dig and dig and dig to get product and then apply it on my eye, and it's like this isn't working. So the way Boom applied was how I wanted the other two colors in my previous video to apply. But it happens. I don't really mind. I'll still continue to use that palette. This palette is a go for me. I really like it. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you didn't know, I did start an Etsy shop, and I just love that thing. And that shop link will be down below if you want to go ahead and check it out. But other than that, guys, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.